It's Thursday, February the 15th. This is my Kadsura conccinea, which I started from seeds 5 years ago. I got 10. I started from seed 10s of them, and 8 sprouted. And I think I killed about all of them except this is the last remaining one, because I was experimenting with different type of methods of growing it. So these things, they love a cool climate, shady, cool climate, because they are basically found mainly in northern Vietnam, southern China area, in the high, up in the mountains. So, and in that area is pretty, I've been into Hanoi before, October, and up to all the way to Sapa, and it's pretty cool climate up there. So I think up in the Sapa area, they're kind of like the Bay Area climate. They're not too hot and not too cold. So it's an ideal condition for them. And not too much sun, like hot burning sun, like in Southern California or Central, California either. So what I like to do is I'd like to put these up on top of the pot, and then checking to see if there's any kind of roots have developed. Okay, I don't see any roots here. So I'm gonna put it up like this on top of the pot. Oops. So this here is a good spot because it's got a lot of shades. The reason why I have these two metals like this is that I want to have it situated like this, so that way what happened is over time the pot will sink, the soil will settle and the pot will sink along with it too. The plant will sink along with it too, just like some of the other plants that I had. Basically it just sink all the way to the bottom. So I like to have the plant sit up on top like that. Then I can just, when it starts sinking, I can apply more mulch on top. Fresh, clean water, rainwater from last night's or this morning's rain for the Kadsura. Oh, there's a root right there. That's a good sign. Not a lot of roots, but that is a good sign. Looks like it might have some drainage issue. It's taking a long time to drain. Let's see. It's draining slowly. So this is a good spot for the plant because it gets plenty of shades throughout the day in this area, because Cherimoya here is basically shading out the sun throughout the day. So this is a new planting method I'm testing. So I put this here to protect the plant from squirrel or rats digging it. And then this on to prevent the chicken from attacking it, because the chicken ate a couple of these already, of these plants. So I got so mad I almost put the chicken into a pot of pho soup. So this is to protect the chicken from attacking it. Good location. Wow, look at the leaves of this mulberry, Pakistani mulberry. Look at how big the leaves are. It's bigger than my face. Look at that. Oh, wow. Huge. Let's see. This is how big this is. Oh my God. So big. I need to transplant this pot. It's a 2-3-year-old plant from cutting. Let's look at the roots. So let me see. So I'll be transplanting this pot soon. Look at it, it's coiling around. Doing some root girdlings here too. You see this one here? I need to cut that off too. 2-3 years in a pot. I need to transplant it now.